Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you an interesting grid method. With this method you will be able to create your own logo, so let's get started. First, take the line segment tool, and draw a line. Then copy it to the right, and make a copy of it by press Ctrl and D. Select all the line, go to the Edit, Copy, and paste in front, then rotate it to 90 degrees. Again select all the line, take the Shape Builder tool, and minus the unusual line by pressing Alt from the keyboard. Now take the Ellipse tool, and draw an ellipse from the center of the grid. Go to Edit, Copy, paste in front and scale it up. Do it again 2 times. That's great. Now take the line segment tool, and draw a line from one side to another side. We will do it for all the grid circle. Just draw the line from one side to another side. That's great. Our grid is ready to be used. Now select all the line, take the Shape Builder tool, swap the color from stroke to fill, and start drawing like me. Do it very carefully so that no line can be overlapped. From here take the line segment tool again, and draw 2 lines here. That's great. Now finish the drawing. Zoom in a bit, and merge the small part. OK, now select the logo we created, go to the Edit, Cut, delete the unusual line from the artboard, again go to the Edit, and paste it front. Click on Stroke, and set it None. That's great, our letter C is completed. Now let's make a negative space letter I. To do that take Ellipse tool, and draw a small circle here. As you can see it's already created a letter I. OK, now let's add some color and typography on it. This is the color code we are going to use in this video. Now let's create 2 shape, where we will add shadow. Take the Ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Swap it from fill to stroke. Then try to adjust with the curve like me. Take the scissors tool, and cut this 2 point, and delete it. Select the curve, take the pen tool, and recreate another shape from this. Swap it from stroke to fill, select both shape, take the shape builder tool, and delete the outer part. We will do the same here also. First, draw a circle. Press Ctrl Y to activate it outline mode, and do adjustments here. Swap it from fill to stroke, take the scissors tool, and cut this 2-point like before, and delete it. Then take the pen tool and draw another full shape. Then swap it from stroke to fill, take the shape builder tool, and delete the outside part. That's great. Select the logo, go to the gradient panel and click on gradient. We will use 3-color gradient, so click in the middle of the gradient, it will give us one more option to add gradient. Then pick the color by eyedropper tool. On the white part, we will add some shadow. Select the white part, go to the gradient panel and click on gradient, delete the middle gradient color, one side of the gradient make darker color, and other side color opacity make 0. Select the shadow part, go to the transparency panel and set the color transparency normal to multiply. And set the opacity 80%. Do the same with the small white part as well. That's great, our logo icon is ready, now let's add some typography on it. On this video, we are going to use a font called Poppins. You will get this font on Google for free. If you don't find, make me a message on Facebook, I will send you the link. So this is our final logo. Now it's time to give you some practice based on it. With this grid method you will be able to create your own logo, so watch the video again and do a lettermark logo with the first letter of your name and post it on our Facebook group. I will review it, you will get the Facebook group in the first comment. This the end of this video, thank you very much for watching, see you in the very next video.